Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Genshin Impact lag, easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you need to do just right click here and go to Task Manager, and once you're here go to Details, scroll down until you find Genshin Impact, and as you see I'm not running Genshin Impact. That's why I will use any application here to show you how to remove lag from Genshin Impact. Like let's say this one, right click on it. uh, let's say that this says Genshin Impact, right click on it and then go to set priority and make it a high, and then click change priority, and that says after that you will find that your problem is fixed. And if that doesn't fix it, right click on your desktop here, go to NVIDIA control panel, and now just wait. And that's it, click use my preference, move it to performance and click apply. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and to subscribe, and see you in the next video.